Welcome to video number 3, where we're going to talk about how to use your imagination to alleviate and diminish your problems. This is a super powerful technique that you're absolutely going to love. I love it, and I call it the put your problems in your palm or palm your problems, okay? Now, this is using your imagination to take a problem and minify it. Why? Well, most of us have this cognitive distortion where we tend to catastrophize or magnify the adversities in our life, the problems, the challenges. We make them bigger than they are. We magnify them. Now, when we have a win, we do the opposite. You know, we have a great day, we do something that we should be proud of, we tend to minify it. So this technique uses that principle of us wanting to magnify problems, and it instead reverses that process into minifying them. So let me show you how it works. Let's say, for example, we'll use the problem that your car died and you found out it's going to be $2,000 to fix it. Huge bill. You don't have the money right now. No bueno. All right. So right now, your problem in your mind is pretty big. But the thing is you eventually want to have your problem fit in the palm of your hand. Problem is it's too big to fit in the palm of your hand right now. So what you do is you use words and a narrative to shrink and minify the problem so it can be fit in your palm, so you can palm your problem. So how do we do that? Well, first we start thinking, okay, rational thoughts. So one of the rational thoughts in the narrative we can have is, well, hey, you know, it could have been a blown engine, it could have been worse, and you know what, I'm lucky the car died where it did because I was only a mile away from home and I could walk home. Perfect, you just minified it a little bit. Keep the conversation going, let's keep shrinking it, all right? So, you know, another thing too is, you know, I just realized that I did just get paid a little bit extra with this side job that I didn't even think I was going to get, and I made $1,200. So realistically, I only need to come up with an extra $800. That's kind of cool. I'm lucky on that. Minified it again. You know, that could have turned into an accident. What if it were my brakes that failed and I hit a tree or worse, killed someone? Minified it again. But you get the point. What you do is you're basically shifting your perspective, you're controlling your narrative, but you're taking the problem that you may have magnified out to here, and you're using words and conscious thought and effort to minify it. And you're using your imagination to actually imagine minifying it. And I highly recommend you do this with your hands. And each and every time you say something, you do shrink it. And you shrink it down, and you can make it move as much as you want until you get it to the point where it's in the palm of your hands. And at that point, the problem is much more manageable. You've minified it. And at that point, you can put it in your back pocket. You can throw it. You can hold on to it, whatever you want to do. But at that point, you've minified it and it's in the palm of your hands. Love to hear what you guys think of this technique. Super powerful. I love it. My name is Dr. Jake Kavanaugh. If you want to learn more about how to connect with us, we're at thevibemindset.com. And we've got another video coming up in the Use Your Imagination series coming up next. You're going to love it.